Learn English and Gujarati time words, minute, hour, day, week, month, year with
minute, kalak, divas.
Welcome to Time Trouble. Hey, you're about to learn some super useful Gujarati time words, and yes, we will do it without becoming a boring wall calendar. Let's jump in. Imagine you are late for everything. Not a little late, spectacularly, artistically late. Your alarm rings, your tea gets cold, your bus leaves, and a pigeon somehow looks disappointed in you. So today, you and I are fixing that with 6 mighty time words in Gujarati. First comes
minute,
meaning minute, then
kalak,
meaning hour, then
divas,
meaning day, after that
અઠવાડિયું,
meaning week,
મહિનો,
meaning month, and
વર્ષ.
meaning year. Congratulations, you now sound at least 10% more organized. The tiny hero. Let's start small, because every big plan begins with one tiny unit of time. Meet the minute. Minute in Gujarati is
minute,
say it with me.
minute,
Example, wait 1 minute. Eka,
minute,
Raha Juo. Example, the train leaves in a minute. Trina Eka,
minute,
Mam Nickel Che. Funny memory trick. A snail wearing a wristwatch proudly announces every
minute,
This is the slowest time manager in history. Quick reply practice. If a friend says, "Are you ready?" you say,
એક minute,
tiny warning. 1.
minute,
Is only 60 seconds, not the mysterious 5 more minutes people say from bed. 1 bigger circle. Now let's level up from tiny time to real waiting room energy. Here comes hour. Hour in Gujarati is
kalak,
say it slowly.
kalak,
Example, I waited for 1 hour. Mem Eka,
kalak,
Raha Joy. Example, the class lasts an hour. Varga Eka,
kalak,
Kale Che. Memory trick.
kalak,
Sounds a bit like clock, so imagine a giant clock saying, respect the
kalak,
Single quote. Mini dialogue. A. How long is the meeting? B. 1.
kalak,
And remember, 60.
minute,
Make 1.
kalak,
Time is basically math wearing a watch. A very dramatic day. Next is the word you will use all the time, especially when saying things like, what a day. Day in Gujarati is
divas,
Imagine waking up, spilling tea, missing 1 sock, and then saying, ah yes, a classic.
divas,
Single quote. Try it.
divas,
A simple example is, a week has 7 days. In Gujarati, that includes the word
divas,
You can connect it with everyday life. 1.
divas,
Is bigger than 1.
kalak,
And much bigger than 1.
minute,
7 days and a snack. If you survive 7 days of work, study, or family group messages, you earn this next word. Week in Gujarati is
અઠવાડિયું,
say it.
અઠવાડિયું,
Example, a week has 7 days. Eka,
અઠવાડિયું,
Mam Seta,
divas,
Hoya Che. Example, I will finish it in 1 week. Hum Tane Eka,
અઠવાડિયું,
Mam Purna Carissa. Funny image. A lazy cat sleeps for an entire
અઠવાડિયું,
and then calls it productivity. Mini dialogue. A. How long will it take? B.
એક અઠવાડિયું,
So now you know. 7.
દિવસ,
Make 1.
અઠવાડિયું,
Calendar boss level. Ready for the bigger calendar words? This is where your planner starts looking serious. Month in Gujarati is
મહિનો,
say it.
મહિનો,
Example, this month is very busy.
આ મહિનો બહુ વ્યસ્ત છે.
Example, I will travel next month.
હું આવતા મહિને મુસાફરી કરીશ.
A good memory trick. Imagine a huge calendar page shouting,
મહિનો,
like it wants a promotion. Year in Gujarati is.
વર્ષ,
Say it.
વર્ષ.
Example. This year feels special.
આ વર્ષ ખાસ લાગે છે.
Example. Every year we celebrate together.
દર વર્ષે અમે સાથે ઉજવણી કરીએ છીએ.
And the big picture is this. Many.
અઠવાડિયું,
Build a.
મહિનો,
And 12.
મહિનો,
Make one.
વર્ષ.
Boom. You are now officially friends with the calendar. Speed drill. Now let's make your brain do tiny push-ups. Answer with the Gujarati word when you can. Minute.
મિનિટ,
Hour.
કલાક,
Day.
દિવસ,
Week.
અઠવાડિયું,
Month.
મહિનો,
Year.
વર્ષ,
1 minute.
એક મિનિટ,
1 hour.
એક કલાક,
1 week.
એક અઠવાડિયું,
1 month.
એક મહિનો,
1 year.
એક વર્ષ.
Final time adventure. Let's end with a silly story so the words stick in your memory. You promise your friend, I'll be ready in 1.
મિનિટ,
Single quote. 1.
કલાક,
Later, you are still choosing socks. Your friend says this whole
દિવસ,
has become chaos. Then you make a new promise. Give me 1.
અઠવાડિયું,
And I will become organized. After 1.
મહિનો,
You finally buy a planner. After 1.
વર્ષ.
You are a time master, or at least you are only fashionably late. Either way, your Gujarati is much better. Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work today. You learned useful time words in Gujarati, and your calendar is probably very proud of you. Thank you for learning with me. Practice.
મિનિટ, કલાક, દિવસ, અઠવાડિયું, મહિનો,
And.
વર્ષ.
Out loud again later today. The more you repeat them, the more natural they will feel. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next lesson.